Open the outer packaging and remove any protective material. Inside, you'll find the hanging beam assembly, cable guides, LED modules, and cabinet columns. You'll also find the screws and tools necessary for assembly, along with installation and warranty information. Additionally, some replacement components and modules are included. If you're using the mobile stand, it may be shipped in its own packaging. To ensure safe handling, keep the cabinet columns in their original shipping container until you're ready to install them. Make sure your workspace is clear and proceed to the next video in this series. If you're using the mobile stand, proceed to the Assembling the Mobile Stand video. If you're using a wall mount, proceed to the Installing the Display Mount on a Wall video.